All right, well, we got a very old elevator here.
Yes. I wasn't expecting that to work. We're gonna go to
First time I filmed this, it had a bumper.
That one's very nice.
Yeah, you can hit the button. Yeah, definitely a late 80s or early 90s install.
I think it was 1987.
Yeah, something like that. Gonna be the whole cab. So, you know, there's a lot of exciting stuff in here.
Oh, yes.
A very nice running elevator.
Yeah, and this has the older impulse contacts.
Phone box, I suppose. Film when I'm like running out of stuff to film.
Alright. Those are knocked over rails.
Nope.
So I guess it's not relay control.
No, this is using a DMC controller for sure.
Alright, that's it.
That'll be it.